Hello and welcome all. So the collab projects are going on and you people are curious to know how to be working on Android Studio VCS. So this is the video for you all. So this is a project name which is Design Villa. So simply go to the GitHub link over here that will be available in any channel's topic. So our project is Design Villa. So just go in here and fork this repository. Wait for a few seconds and your fork is ready. So my fork is ready from over here. I'll simply just copy this link. It has been copied successfully. Now go to your Android Studio and instead of starting a new Android Studio project, just click on Checkout Project from Version Control, and ours is GitHub. So now just paste the link over here. I did a Control V, so I want that to be in my Android Studio projects. So the directory name is Design Villa and I'm gonna clone it. Now the clone is ready and it's asking would you like to open it. I'll click on yes and your project is ready. So these are your Java files that we have made for you, and also the XML files from over here, which is a splash screen and a login activity. In our master branch, if you will open up this drawable folder, you will see that there are no such files and it's comparatively very empty. It's just the code in here. So if you zoom in, you will see that Git master will be written over here, but you people have to work on splash branch if you remember. So simply go to VCS in the toolbar and then choose Git. VCS, choose VCS, then choose Git. Now come down to branches. Now here you will see that in remote branches you have one as origin master, the other one as origin splash. So just click on that and you'll get an option that check out as a new local branch. Click on that and it will ask you the branch name. Let it be splash for you also. Just click on OK. And now you are checked out to a new branch which is splash from origin splash. So now you will see some changes over in the code also, because in the drawable folder on the master branch we had nothing. But here on the splash branch we have included these resources for you. So this will ask you for project.xml. Just click on yes. So in our resources on the master branch there was nothing in the drawable folder, but here we have all these background images for you and also the logos ready. So you can use yours or also use it from here and then submit the PR to us. So suppose you have committed your changes from over here. Also do a sync with Gradle to ensure that everything is ready before starting to work. So if you have done any changes into this project of ours, so now my Gradle is all set up. So just go to VCS, commit, write in your commit message, which can be new changes or anything else. Then either you can just commit or commit and push from here. I'll show you how to commit. So your commit message is saved. Then go to VCS again, go to Git again, and then push your changes to the splash branch of yours. So you can do a force push or just a push. I prefer to do a force push. Okay. it's pushing from over here. I'll show you. So the background task, so it's all done. I have pushed one commit to my origin splash branch. So this is how you people will do from the Android Studio VCS. Now in your forked repository, if you will change your branch, that is splash, so you'll see that this branch is one commit ahead of your Udacity Android Basic Scholarships. So just do a pull request from over here and write in your commit number 1, 2 or 3 and then write a detailed description like I have added a splash animation, etc. and then send it to us, create a pull request. So this is all, and thank you for watching.